How's it going, guys? The Tong Man here again, and I had just returned from Fry's, and I picked up this Logitech gaming keyboard G11, actually G110, for pretty cheap actually. Here's the receipt. Got it for $54.99, and I also got this rebate for what is it, $15 back. So not a bad deal, you know. I checked online, Tiger Direct, and the same exact keyboard is comes out to like $85 after shipping and handling. So I'm gonna unbox this for you. It might be difficult for me because I'm gonna be unboxing it one-handed. Let's see here. I need a knife. Alright, kitchen knife here. Let's break this seal here. Alright. Alright, it's coming out. Put this aside, and now we have this white box. Let's see. There it is. Pretty basic. The keyboard itself with the USB cord. Let's put that aside. Let's see what else is in here. Get a manual with some important information, I guess, and the driver CD. Let's see what else is in here. Let's remove this aside, and you get a an armrest or wrist rest. Well, that's it. That's all there is in here. I'm gonna go and set this up and see how cool it is. So, thank you for watching.